Right, we're good. No squeak. Apparently my bearings were like gunky. And it led to a bunch of other issues. But we're good now. We're real good. Not sure what that was about, but this is me riding through the parking lot, getting my heartbeat on. I really enjoy riding my bike. I sped it up because it makes it a little bit more thrilling. Vroom. Bank of America, thank you for saving my money. Wow. On the right there, you'll see the potential care advocates living Learning Life Center LLC. Patent pending. Coming up on in the street, there's a disabled vehicle. So I'm just riding, getting my heartbeat. And you'll see in a moment, another opportunity shows itself. Wait for it. No, not that one. Maybe that could be an appraisal order. This one. Did you see it? Here it is. Voila. Hey, sir. Sir, my name is Lionel Thomas. I'm a real estate appraiser.
Yeah.
Riding by my bike, I thought I'd give you my car.
Okay.
If I could be of any assistance. I'm a real estate appraiser. I just live at 412 West H Street.
412 West 8.
Yeah, just H. Just a block or two over. How you doing, sir?
Good. How you doing?
Lionel Thomas.
Good.
Please meet you, Scott.
You do appraisals?
Yes, sir. I just went and got my bike from Bumsteads and I was riding it. I thought I'd stop in to give it to you.
Okay, Newman. Appraisals?
Boy, since I've been riding and driving by here, I've seen it been burnt for a while.
Yeah.
But I think you need to have a bid on how much your repairs are so that
Yeah.
I can give a strong opinion. But I
Possibly like to sell it after it's HOT is finished with it.
Yeah.
It goes to a contractor.
yeah,
And we'd like to get an appraisal,
yeah.
some type of that.
Take your time. Let me know when I can be able to assist you. Okay?
When you come in, everything will be.
So I wanted to fast forward this and try to keep the owners here's information as confidential as possible. But I guess I've said this in a previous video that probably has like 2 views, but networking is very important. And if you consider yourself a business operator or owner or a manager of any sort, I would suggest, even if you work for a big corporation, you should be networking because you never know what doors open. Even being like a clerk at Walmart, you can open doors that you may not understand, but you know, people need your experience, people need your perspective. Not sure why this guy pulled that, but you know, network. It's important. No matter what you do, no matter where you are. If you're not networking, you're not growing. I don't know what's up with that guy. He almost, you know, when you're on your bike, it seems like people do these weird gestures, but I guess I'm doing weird gestures too because I'm the guy on the bike riding in the middle of the street. So forgive me. But I'm zooming down. Wow, I'm really moving. Look at that. Woo, not on that side. Watch out. Yeah. Woodside. Neighborhood stabilization. And then we're going to get to the... So up here, they're opening a new Blink gym. I should be getting it past here.